I think that we are missing out if the nonprofit sector does not tap into retirees, get them to come back either as advisors, as board members, or as employees. I have thoroughly enjoyed my own career path, and now that I'm in my 40s and looking at what's next, I'm inspired by the people that I see attached to this whole Encore career movement. And I'm inspired because they let me know that the next 20 or 30 years, I have even more to offer than what I've done to date. When you look at our economy right now, globally, I see it as a perfect storm. And I see it as a perfect storm for older Americans to come together, to join with younger Americans, to come together in the nonprofit sector, and even with the corporate sector, to be able to sustain the well-being of everyone. There is a need for every single skill set out there in the retired community to come together right now in an economy where money is tight, where people are unemployed, but the needs are great. My advice to local nonprofits is to tap into the wealth that's in their local communities. And the wealth and the wisdom is stored up in retirees or people getting ready to end their professional careers and decide what's next. Civic Ventures and Encore Careers are a great way to get connected to people, to figure out how to use them, how to engage them, and how to partner and leverage with their expertise. I believe that in the United States, we have a unique opportunity to plug in to people that are looking to start their Encore careers. Now is the time to get those people engaged, to give us inspiration, to provide wisdom and guidance, and to walk together, at least with respect to the nonprofit sector, to continue to make a difference.